The principle of openness. Openness refers to being open to all perspectives. It means being open to the truth about yourself, about others, about the world, and about life itself. Openness requires awareness, acceptance, seeing the perfection of current conditions, and an understanding that what we call truth is essentially subjective. Being open also means not having expectations or requirements in any given situation. It's okay to have desires and wants, though. One of the main reasons the old religions and philosophies failed humanity was because of their absolutism. This was its requirement that everyone must accept, agree, and comply with a religion's or philosophy's belief, in full. No individual interpretation or deviation was allowed. Why? Was it their self-view or identity, or their personal truth? Why does one feel they have the right or obligation to harm another that doesn't agree with, or accept the first person's truth? There seems to be an underlying emotional and psychological need to do so. And it's insecurity. Subconsciously, they lack confidence in who they truly are at their core. And in what they believe. So they need others to reinforce, that is, prop up, that identity and belief through another's complete acceptance, agreement, and adherence. Without the other's agreement, it undermines the first person's fragile self-identity. This leads to fear. Which leads to anger. Which can lead to violence. And violence is but a childish act. A lack of emotional maturity. Once you can accept that the divine is within you, and that you are but one of countless aspects of the divine manifested in spiritual, mental, and physical form, can you then begin to recognize the divine within all other things as well? The divine is found not just in the so-called holy things, but also in the mundane things of the world. All things, the stars and planets, the insects and animals, and every human, are aspects of the divine. Nothing in the universe is not God. It's when you can walk through the worst places on earth, surrounded by those who wish to harm you, and yet see the divine within each of these beings, that you'll have truly achieved a state of oneness. And once you walk in continual state of oneness, you can confidently say, we are all one. Yet don't forget that each of us is a unique aspect of the divine. And each has a unique soul's purpose and journey. Unfortunately, not all beings remember this fact. So each of us spiritually awakens in our own time and in our own way. Since every aspect of the divine is represented somewhere, it means that all which we call good, and all that we call bad, exist together. It's all God. Therefore, it's not your place to judge another.